Look at me, man. Look at me. Just look at me when I... Just look at me. This dude sucks, man. No, I'm just joking. I'm just joking, man. Bayboybassin here. You guys make sure you subscribe to TheOkFisherman, man. I'm gonna leave him link down in the description. Go check his channel out. Hopefully we can get him a GoPro so he can start his channel and start posting, because I'm telling you guys, this guy he got a lot of knowledge. A lot of knowledge, man. Knowledge is power too, man. So when it comes to fishing, he knows what he's talking about. I'm taking his advice, you know what I'm saying? I'm sitting back, I'm listening to what he has to say, because he knows, man. And I appreciate you taking me out there catching fish. Hopefully we can do it again. I appreciate that, man. And hey, let's get that channel started, man. Let's do it. Let's do it for the people. Let's do it for Oklahoma. And you guys already know what it is, man. Subscribe to the channel. Like this video. Share. Comment. Blow it up. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Yeah, so let's get into the video, man. I won't hold you guys. Let's get into that intro, baby.
Hey, let's see what's going on today with Bayboybassin. Bayboybassin, it's Bayboybassin. I cast it out and I reel him in. Bayboybassin, Bayboybassin, it's Bayboybassin.
Dude. Oh!
Monsterbass, baby.
Stick to it. Believe in yourself.
Listen to Swimbaits Steve.
Swimbaits Steve, guys. Look at he engulfed that thing. Look at that thing. Wow.
You're like, why are they so shallow? I don't know, man. Take it, man.
Yeah, I can't tell you that. That thing is freaking huge, man.
Alright, buddy, I pulled out a buzzbait. It got real windy like this.
Yeah.
And he's all, dude, you ain't catching nothing with that. Middle of winter again. I'm like, trust me.
Yeah, you don't know, man.
Right at the boat, 4-pounder with a catfish down his throat.
Wow.
That's my buzzbait, broke it.
That's crazy.
It's up here too.
Is that your YouTube Tinder friend? Oh man, that cracks me up, man. That's funny.
I thought you guys fished together before.
Oh, there we go. There we go.
There you go.
Weedy. Ting, 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 ting. That looks like a spotted bass, but I'm not. You got spotted bass in here? No, that's a bass.
No, I don't think there is spotted bass in here. Color on them sometimes. Yeah, it shows it now.
Kick things off. We are with Steven. Catching some bass. He's throwing like a big old freaking big old dong right here, you know, big old whopper plopper. And we're out here fishing, just trying to have some fun. Look at this bait, guys. That thing is massive. Look at that. That's crazy, man. What is that, like 130?
190.
190. There you go, guys. Yeah.
I watched your video with 2x speed.
Oh, there we go. There we go. Oh, so you're a cheater, you're saying? No.
Yeah, I still watched it though.
Yeah, that's true. I still watched it. It was pretty fast. We got another one right here on the chatterbait. We're throwing a jackhammer, black and blue with the fluke on it. Nice little pounder. Yep. Oh, grass. Felt like a bass. Oh, damn! Look at that. There we go. Low danker. There he is. He's off. This spot coming up right here. You got something?
Yeah, little guy.
He's as big as a lure right there. He said, it ain't too big for my mouth. Yeah.
Oh, and we got another.
Here we go. Finding them. Nice. Nice. There you go. Nice. Steve. Oh, man, that's at least a 2-3 pounder. I would say 2.5.
Yeah, 2
2.25. Dude, I'm liking this action. You know, I feel like a movie star, you know? I mean, a movie director, you know? With this camera.
Yeah, he's 2.5, almost 2 3/4.
Nice. Yeah, they should crush this white wop daddy. Yep. Ooh, dude. Crushed it, man. That one's looking like a better one, too. Huh. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Monsterbass, baby.
That's what I'm talking about. Coming in clutch, dude. I would say 3.5. 2.5.
On you, man. 3.5.
3.5, yeah. That's what's up. Right when you say, yeah, throw over there, man. Right in that grass line. Boom! Oh, I got one. Oh, I had one. You seen that? Something ate the plopper. Needs to slurp that thing up. Coming up and crushing that thing, dude.
I knew it was.
Oh, got one. Got one. Doubled up, baby. Let's go. Whopper plopper, guys. Going to work. We just doubled up. Throw that guy back. Let's catch some more. Oh, did you see that? Did you see? Oh my gosh. Dude, he was like a submarine. You see that thing? How you gonna eat it like that and then run off like that? Are you kidding me?
You see these little patches right here?
Yeah.
This one right here. Get out behind them.
Oh, that was a bad cast.
I want to get a fly rod out here.
Dude, I do want to learn how to fly fish.
See a lot of the little fish back along the bank back there.
Uh-huh.
And now we're in here up close to the shore, jumping out of the water and getting dragonflies.
That's crazy.
Cool.
Straight out of the water too, huh? Let's see if I just get a little aggressive with this thing.
Oh!
See that? Yeah. I got a little aggressive with it. Now they want to hit it. Knock it out the water. I like this mega bass frog, even though it cost me almost 20 bucks. Yeah, that's true.
I usually don't flinch anymore. After you spend 200 bucks on a lure, you've lost so many that cost 100.
Yeah, like, oh, what the heck? What's another 200? Yeah, yeah. That thing bombs out there. Kadoosh, 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 kadoosh.
What's your biggest?
9? Probably 9.13, I think. 9.10. Yep. Most definitely, because that swim jig could go through that grass a little bit easier.
Yeah.
Just a little bit. I'm gonna try it out.
I've had people tell me shit ain't gonna work.
And it works.
Oh.
Look at that, dude. First cast on a swim jig. I think I got a bunch of brass with them. He ate it though, man. Yeah, we upgraded it a little bit. It's not a bad one.
Oh, yeah.
Oh! God!
Oh, I was pulling it out of the water.
Dude, that's so cool.
I told you they smoke it at the boat.
That is so cool, man. We doubled up. Look at that, guys. I got like maybe a 2-pounder. He got like he got a big mouth but skinny body. Yeah. But I would call that 2. Beautiful. I'll probably call that 1.5. Here we go, guys.
Pretty
They're eating still.
Let's go pull it out of the water, dude.
I know, I see that. That's crazy. Finish your cast. That's what you said. So I think that's what we're doing. There we go. That one feels good, dude. That one feels really good. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. Oh, there we go.